Hey YouTube, Male Cavity here. Quick video today. So I've finally decided that I kind of fallen in love with the new Corsair LL fans. And I decided to complete my build and bought a 140mm case fan. She's going in right there to replace the Thermaltake ring to match 1, 2, 3. I never see the fronts or the tops, so maybe that'll be in the future. But I wanted to kind of, have things a little more uniform as I'm kind of actually getting closer and closer to being somewhere with this rig where I'm actually happy with it. I know a lot of people are like, RGB RAM, RGB everything. Blah. I still like it. I still like the ambiance it provides. So, especially if you go with the, holy cow, that thing's a lot bigger than those. Especially if you go with kind of a more uniform aesthetic rather than just doing straight rainbows. Easy unboxing. 4 screws, 1 big A fan, 4-pin for your motherboard or whatever you hook it up to, and then 3-pin buoy for the RGB portion of it. So I'm going to have this be a push fan. It's going to push out. Nothing else in here. Let's get to work. Alright, one case fan is installed. Colors are matching. Everything looks good. Ready to go. Alright, that's that for that unboxing install video. Nothing fancy. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, you know what to do. Otherwise, thanks for watching.